Thinking about building a website with Hostinger but not sure how much it actually costs? In this video, I'll break down Hostinger's pricing plans, what you get with each one, and which plan might be the best fit for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how much you'll pay and whether it's worth it. I'll also providing you with a Hostinger discount so you can save money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase. You'll save even more than the Hostinger discount you see being listed here, plus you get a free domain name on annual plans. To get started with Hostinger and to follow along with me, just click the link in the description below to visit Hostinger so you can take advantage of getting a Hostinger discount. Make sure you copy the Hostinger promo code I've included next to the link in the description that saves you more money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus gets you a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Hostinger is known for being one of the most affordable web hosting providers out there, but like most hosting companies, the price you see up front isn't always the price you'll pay long term. So let's go through it step by step. Hostinger offers 3 main shared hosting plans when signing up: premium web hosting, business web hosting, and cloud startup. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the Hostinger coupon code at checkout. Premium web hosting runs as low as $2.99 per month on the 48-month term. This one allows you to host up to 25 websites with 25 gigabytes of fast SSD storage, plus 50 free email accounts for the first year, 2 mailboxes free for the first year. It also includes a free domain name with annual billing, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, a built-in AI website builder, and fully managed WordPress hosting. When using the Hostinger website builder, this plan doesn't let you accept payments, so you'll need to get the business web hosting plan if you plan on having an online store. Business web hosting runs as low as $3.79 per month on the 48-month term and is designed for bigger sites. You get more processing power, daily backups, and improved performance. You'll get hosting for up to 50 websites with 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 100 free email accounts, 5 mailboxes free for the first year, plus a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also upgrades you to daily and on-demand backups, an AI-powered e-commerce website builder, an AI website builder for WordPress, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, and AI SEO tools, and includes a CDN for faster global performance. If you're planning to run an online store and need to accept payments, this plan is the ideal choice. Cloud startup hosting runs as low as $7.99 per month and is designed for growing businesses or high-traffic websites. With this plan, you'll get hosting for up to 100 websites with blazing fast 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 200 free email accounts, 10 mailboxes free for the first year, and a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also includes automatic website migration, a dedicated IP address for added security and performance, and priority 24/7 expert support. It's a great option if you've outgrown shared hosting and need more reliability without jumping to a VPS. Now let's talk about how you can save even more in your Hostinger hosting, including a breakdown of pricing for different terms and what to expect when it's time to renew. Once you select a plan, you'll be here on this page. I'll start with the premium plan. You'll see the Have a Coupon Code link. Click this. Paste in the Hostinger promo code I've included in the description below and hit apply. You'll see the updated discount instantly, helping you save even more on your Hostinger web hosting. You'll save the most money with the 48-month term. You'll see that this plan currently renews at $10.99 a month. You get a free domain name with any of the annual plans. You'll also get a great discount on the 24-month term, 12-month term, and a little discount on the monthly term. The monthly term comes with a setup fee of $4.99, and this term renews at $11.99 a month. The monthly term doesn't come with a free domain name. If going with the business plan, here's the new discounted amount for the 48-month term with the coupon code entered. You'll see the plan currently renews at $13.99 a month. You'll also get a great discount on the 24-month term, 12-month term, and a little discount on the monthly term. The monthly term comes with a setup fee of $4.99. The monthly term doesn't come with a free domain name. If going with the Cloud Startup plan, here's the new discount amount for the 48-month term with the coupon code entered. You'll see the plan currently renews at $25.99 a month. You'll also get a great discount on the 24-month term, 12-month term, and a little discount on the monthly term. And this term renews at $27.99 a month. The monthly term doesn't come with a free domain name, so which plan should you go with? If you're just starting a blog or small personal website, the premium web hosting plan is perfect. If you plan to build multiple websites, run an online store, or need extra performance, the business web hosting plan is the best choice. And if you've outgrown shared hosting or need more reliability and speed for a high traffic website, the cloud startup plan is ideal. For advanced users, if you want more speed, reliability, or the ability to handle high traffic websites, Hostinger also offers cloud hosting plans starting at just $7.99 per month. For developers or anyone who wants full control with dedicated resources, there's VPS hosting starting at just $4.99 per month. And that's Hostinger's pricing explained. Pretty affordable compared to most hosting providers. If you're ready to get started, I've included the link in the description below, along with the Hostinger coupon code to enter at checkout. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more website tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions about hosting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.